Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to solve part C and D of question 7 of CSS GSA paper 2022. Part C of the question involved finding the correct spellings of some jumbled words. The first jumbled word was shirt. Into the second jumbled word, unconsciously my brain thinks of a word that starts with G. As the jumbled word have been placed in such a way that the first letter is G. So the technique here is to cancel out all the vowels and then start thinking a word by each consonant left. So when you start thinking with G, instead of gender, garden would be a correct response. In addition to garden, when we start thinking with D, danger could be a response. And if we start thinking with R, arranged could be another response. But I have mentioned only danger in my solution. So the next jumbled word spellings were written like this, and stomach was the correct word. This is the easiest one, as the starting letter of the correct word is placed first in this case. Holiday was the correct response. If we cancel out the vowels and start thinking of a word with H, then holiday is the first word that comes into our mind. So holiday was the correct response. Repeating the same steps, when I start thinking something with D, Donald comes into my mind, but Donald is not the correct response. So when we start thinking a word that starts with L, London is the correct response. Now moving forward to part D of the question, I have solved a similar question in a part of question 6 of 2021 paper. The age of Sara and her mother is given, and the age of Sara's brother is also given in the question. Info about their ages is given, and that after 3 years the sum of the ages will be 72. If we assume the age of Sara to be S, then the age of her mother presently will be denoted by 6S. Similarly, the age of Sara's brother will be denoted by 2S, as his age is twice as that of her sister Sara. And after 3 years from now, the age of Sara will be denoted by S plus 3. The age of her mother would be denoted by 6S plus 3. And similarly, the age of her brother would be 2S plus 3 after 3 years from now. This information has been given in the question that the sum of their ages after 3 years would be 72. So mathematically, we can put this into an equation form, that 6S plus 3 is the age of Sara's mother after 3 years time. 2S plus 3 is the age of Sara's brother after 3 years, and S plus 3 is the age of Sara herself after 3 years. The sum of these three numbers would be 72. So solving the equation for S, the value of S comes out to be 7, which means that presently Sara is 7 years old. If this is the case, then 2S is the age of her brother, and it will be equal to 14 years, and the age of her mother comes out to be 6 into 7, which is 42. In the next video, I will be solving question 8 of the same paper, and this video is going to be very interesting because I will also be highlighting some of the incorrect solutions available on the internet so that the aspirants can be careful in choosing their online sources. That was all from my side till now. Thank you very much for watching.